Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be organizing my nail stuff upstairs. I had to film this one a little differently because it's been so hot and this is the only way I can manage to do it. So I had to do the bulk of the organizing at night while it was cool and I could get some air up there. And when I say cool, I still mean it was like 25 degrees, but much more manageable than like 30-40 degrees. I've already done the container organization, which I will start off by showing you. So I apologize if those clips are a little bit dark, just because it was nighttime. I was going off of lamps. We still don't have a new overhead light up there yet, so I worked with what I could, but I had to get it done at night. I've not done an organizational video in so long that I was just so excited to do this, and I was so determined. And technically it is probably like 35 degrees up there right now, but all I have to do is organize everything in the cupboard. Like, I just have to put everything back. I'm hoping that won't be too treacherous, but we will find out. And then I will go over kind of how I've set everything up. So if that interests you, stay tuned. Let's do a musical montage and we'll get into it. Okay, I haven't died of heat stroke yet. So that bin is all my waxing stuff, which used to be on the bottom shelf there, but I'm going to put that down stairs, I think, in my bedroom closet because I pretty much only do waxing on myself now, so I don't use it as frequently, sorry about the traffic, as I used to, like on other people. I have like maybe 2 or 3 clients that I still do waxing for. And then these things I pulled out, this is done basically. I've got some stuff downstairs I need to get nail polish off of, so I'm just going to use that up downstairs and then recycle the bottle. These also used to be on the bottom shelf. These are my extra lights for my lamp, and they are due for a change, so I'm going to be putting those in my lamp. And then this little box, I'm going to empty, put the box into packaging for Christmas items. And then I just have my little rings in here. And then these are all of my sculpted nails from TikTok that I'm going to be making into charms. I'm also going to have to refill that alcohol bottle. But other than that, let's have a look at what we did. Wow, it is gross up here. I'm sorry. These are my hard gel colors. I basically lined everything up as to what I use the most frequently. So my hard gel colors, just my gel paints. In this container, I have all of my top coats and base coats. And then in this one, we have the important stuff. So I've got nail forms and double-sided tape, all of my glue and prep items here, and then this is all of my sculpting gel here. And then in this little one, I've got my stamping stuff and my molds. Got my regular nail polishes, which I pretty much only do for art. All my chrome dusts, glitters, and gems. Nail tattoos are all in here. And then all my equipment, so all of my brushes, spatulas, gem picks, any buffers or files that I'm currently using on sets. And then my drill and all of my pieces. These guys are all downstairs being washed. My mini bottles. And then here, this little stack is all of my different styles of nails. And this big one down here has my personal collection of press-on nails that I reuse regularly for myself. Master bottles of fluids. We've got rubbing alcohol, acetone, and regular nail polish. And then this bottom shelf down here, I've got just all of my extra bulky packaging. So like the metallic paper I use for the cards and my backing, eggs and paper for mystery bag, is pre-packaged stuff. So I've got a couple nail charms that I've made here, and these are the application kits for the nail sets, which I'm still waiting for my liquid glue to come in, but they all have the press-on gel sheets. And then this is all of my bulk packaging items. So I've got everything that I need here for application sets. Way at the back we've got picks, files, glue sheets, alcohol pads. I've got my packaging for nails and 3D charms, as well as the jewelry charm bags and some buffers. And that's it. It looks way better than it did before, and it is way more organized. Hopefully I can keep it this way. Okay, I'm very hot. Oh, this was tough. It only took me like 15 minutes, but this was tough. It is so hot. I'm pouring sweat. So I'm gonna go sit in the air conditioner. I really wish the quality of this one had been better, but that's what happens when I film up here. So, thanks for watching. If you made it this far, give the video a thumbs up, because there must have been a reason you made it this far. And don't forget to subscribe if you have not already, and you feel like that's a thing you're interested in doing. And we'll see you in the next one.